This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by closing Valorant and Riot so files aren't locked. Once done, open the Riot client, right-click Valorant and choose Open File Location to jump to the installation folder. Make sure no Valorant, Riot client, or Vanguard processes remain in Task Manager, otherwise you can't change properties. Then find the game executable file, typically named Valorant, exe, or the shooter binary, and get ready to modify its properties to change compatibility settings for Windows. Now you edit the executable's properties. Right-click the exe, pick Properties, then the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode for and choose the Windows version you need. This forces legacy behavior for APIs or input handling. If input or privileges are an issue, also tick Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. Make sure to repeat for any launcher or helper executables if behavior persists, because the client and game binaries can both affect runtime compatibility. Finish by restarting Riot Vanguard and the Riot client, then launch Valorant and verify gameplay and input feel normal. If the game crashes or won't start, revert the compatibility change or try a different Windows version. Small differences can break anti-cheat hooks. If Windows prevents saving changes, check file permissions and run Explorer as administrator or temporarily disable any third-party overlays. Remember, Vanguard can block certain compatibility edits, so undo changes if the anti-cheat won't start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.